It will be a nervous night ahead for scores of Portland residents from Seaman's Valley, which was the scene of severe flooding today. For days, eastern parishes have been experiencing heavy rainfall, but it appears sections of Portland have been worst affected. There have been reports of landslides, fallen trees and blocked roads. Janella Precious begins our coverage.
At a time when most Jamaicans are sprucing up their home for Christmas, in sections of Portland, the opposite is happening. These homeowners are faced with the dreadful task of protecting their belongings from flood waters.
This
is Seaman's Valley, a farming community. It's early days yet, but already farmers have begun to count their losses.
We lose 8 goat.
So from when and half rain?
From week.
From week?
From week.
So this is the worst?
Yeah. But it get worse from last night. From last night it falls straight, ease up.
As a result, some people were marooned. Others risked traversing the flooded roads, determined to get on with their business.
Kingston was going?
Yes.
Oh.
So I'm not sure I'm not get through. So, but I'm hoping we get through.
Alright. How long you say you're there?
About 7 o'clock.
Traveling from Bellevue. So you know what time it is. We're leaving from early. We're going to try to reach with stuff to get done. And we chop right here. And we're still waiting.
Waiting for the flood to subside, even though it would take hours, as the incessant rain showed no signs of easing. Residents complain that it doesn't take much rain for the Wild Cane River to overflow its banks. They're again pleading for something to be done.
You need to dredge out and grind and safety for people. You better than that, and if you run up all you have to spread. Because the river spread. Even on the road you're going to also spread in a million.
There's also the threat of landslides.
If you go up the road right now, you are going to see a long line of cars parked up there. Yeah, and today it is so bad. Today is a big day in Port Antonio.
The big day that she speaks of is Grand Market. Merchants, their staff, consumers, all inconvenienced. And with more rain in the forecast, it will undoubtedly dampen the mood for the holidays. Janella Precious, TVJ News.